Hey, this is Mark from Caliber Home Loans. It is Friday. It is the 4th, and it is chilly outside, so fall is certainly in the air. So I just want to go through some of the bond charts for today and the past week and the past month. So what we're looking at is the bond chart for today. So we are going to close higher than we opened. This is the bond pricing. So this means that there was downward pressure on rates. The news that came out this morning, the jobs report was not quite as good as was expected. So again, negative news on Main Street is generally good news for bonds, and it pushes yields down. So that was today's news. So for the week, again, we see that we're up from the beginning of the week. So again, there's been downward pressure on rates. So again, rates are falling a little bit, which is good for homeowners and for those thinking about refinancing. So let's go ahead and look at the last month. So we are a tad lower than where we started a month ago, which means that rates are a little bit worse. We hit the high point over the last month on Friday the 13th in September. So that was the highest point as far as rates go over the last 30 days. So the trend is bond prices are going up again. The trend is for rates to drop a little bit. A lot of this is based on, again, we've talked about this before, a lot of this is based on our own internal U.S. markets, what's going on overseas, the tariff talks, now what's coming, the impeachment issues, whether Brexit is going to happen or not, and how it's going to happen. So all of this impacts us. Earlier in the week, our rates went up a little bit because there is pressure on Japanese bonds. So go figure. So it's a day-to-day affair as usual, but it looks good for right now. It looks like rates will either stabilize or maybe go up a little bit more. Go down a little bit more. And again, it's a great time to buy a house, and it's even a better time to refinance. Any questions, give me a shout, 248-705-8431. Thanks, and have a great weekend.